Hey travel buddies, welcome back to Travel Vet. Today we have a topic that might send shivers down your spine, especially if you love to travel. We're diving into the world of lost luggage nightmares. Yes, you heard that right. Those moments when your suitcase decides to take a vacation of its own. Imagine this. You've just landed at your dream destination. The excitement is palpable, and you can't wait to start your adventure. But then, you find yourself standing at the baggage claim, watching the carousel go round and your bag is nowhere in sight. Today, we're talking about something that can turn a fun trip into a total bummer lost luggage. You get off the plane, ready for your vacation, and bam, your suitcase is gone. Poof. It's like a magic trick gone wrong. One moment it's there, and the next, it's vanished into thin air. The frustration, the panic, the inconvenience, it's a traveler's worst nightmare. It's happened to almost everyone. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, the risk is always there. You might think it's rare, but it's more common than you'd expect. A report said 24 million bags were mishandled last year. That's a staggering number. Just think about it. 24 million bags, each with its own story, its own journey, and its own frustrated owner. That's like everyone in Australia losing their luggage. Crazy, right? It's almost unimaginable, but it's the reality of air travel today. But don't worry, today we'll learn how to keep your bags safe. We'll share some tips and tricks to help you avoid becoming part of that statistic. From using luggage trackers to securing your bags with locks, we've got you covered. We're gonna beat those odds. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to keep your luggage safe and sound. Let's get started. First up, labeling. It's the first step in ensuring your luggage doesn't get lost in the sea of bags at the airport. It sounds simple, but it's super important. A well-labeled bag can save you a lot of time and stress. Think of your suitcase like a runner in a race. Just as a runner needs a bib number to be identified, your suitcase needs a clear, strong tag. It needs a name tag so you can find it. Imagine the relief of spotting your bag quickly among hundreds of others. And I don't mean those flimsy paper tags that can easily tear off or get damaged. We need something strong that yells, "This is my bag." A durable tag can withstand the rough handling of airport staff. Use a strong tag with your name, phone number, and email in big, bold letters. This ensures that even if your bag gets misplaced, it can be returned to you. Even better, add something unique, like a bright ribbon, so your bag stands out on the luggage carousel. This small touch can make a big difference. Make it easy to spot. The more unique your bag looks, the quicker you'll find it, saving you time and hassle. So, take a few extra minutes to properly tag your luggage. It's a small effort that can make your travel experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's use some tech luggage trackers. These small devices can make a huge difference in your travel experience. These little gadgets are awesome. They come in various shapes and sizes, but all serve the same purpose: to keep track of your luggage. They're like a GPS for your suitcase. Imagine having the ability to pinpoint the exact location of your bag, no matter where you are in the world. Put it inside, connect it to your phone, and you can see where your bag is, anytime. The app will show you real-time updates, so you never have to worry about losing your luggage again. No more wondering if it's on the same planet as you. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your luggage's location is invaluable. There are lots of trackers, so find one that you like and can afford. Some even come with additional features like battery life indicators and waterproof designs. It's worth it for the peace of mind. Imagine the relief of knowing your bag is safe and sound, especially during long layovers or hectic travel schedules. Imagine landing and knowing exactly where your bag is. No more waiting anxiously at the baggage claim, hoping your suitcase made it. That's the power of technology. Embrace it and make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. With a luggage tracker, you can travel with confidence and ease. Next, airport strategy. We're talking about getting to the airport early. I know nobody likes waking up early, but it's important. It gives you time to make sure your luggage is checked in correctly. No rushing. Airlines say to get there 2 hours early for flights within the US and 3 hours for international flights. This gives you extra time if there are long lines. The earlier you check your bag, the less likely it is to get left behind. Chapter 4. Layover Limbo. Layovers can be tricky for luggage. If your connection is short, your luggage might not make it. It's like trying to catch a bus while running through a crowded market. Try to have at least 1 or 2 hours between flights, especially if you're changing terminals. This gives your luggage time to make it to the next plane, plus you'll have time to get a snack. Chapter 5. The Carry-On Survival Kit. What if your luggage gets lost, even if you do everything right? That's where your carry-on comes in. Always pack important stuff in your carry-on: medicine, important papers, a change of clothes, anything you really need. It's like a lifeboat. If your luggage gets lost, you'll have what you need to survive. Pack things you can't live without for a day or two. Chapter 6. The Online Check-in Advantage. More technology. Online check-in can help with luggage. It's like giving your luggage a heads up that it's time to go. You can choose your luggage tags and confirm your flight. Plus, it saves time at the airport. Chapter 7. Invest in a luggage fortress. Your luggage is your travel buddy, and every good buddy needs good gear. Get strong, good quality luggage. Think of it like a fortress. It needs to protect your stuff. Look for strong zippers, tough corners, and a good lock. Your luggage needs to be tough. Here's a tip about knowing the rules. Every airline has different rules about checking bags and what happens if they get lost. It's like knowing the rules of a game. Read your airline's rules before you go to the airport. Then you'll know what to expect. Okay, worst case scenario, your luggage is lost. Don't panic. Tell the airline right away. The sooner you tell them, the better. It's like a game of hide and seek. We've talked about a lot, but remember to stay calm. Losing your luggage is frustrating, but stressing out doesn't help. Take deep breaths and stay positive. Your luggage will probably be found. In the meantime, have fun on your trip. It's just stuff. Your memories are what matter. Those are our tips for preventing lost luggage. By doing these things, you can help your bags arrive with you. Remember, planning is important. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your luggage stories in the comments. Safe travels, and may your bags always be with you. And please, subscribe.